Good morning and welcome to the first day of our new schedule. The 10 days of e-learning are over at this point, and now I had alluded to over the last couple of days the new schedule that's out. So yeah, as of today we're on our new schedule in fourth quarter, moving ahead accordingly. April Fool's is over, so that's awesome. First thing I would say about the new schedule is let us know, you're getting adjusted to this, we're getting adjusted to this, your teachers are getting adjusted to this. So if there are requests or things that you need where your teachers are tripping, and I don't mean tripping like Mr. McMicken on YouTube, like a wild fool, but anyway, if there's issues, please just bring that to our attention. We want to know so that we can step in and we can intervene and do what is needed there. So assignments at this point are posted for you guys in Google Classroom, so we are moving ahead accordingly into April, and let's see where this month takes us. What's great news is that today, we are just 1 week out from spring break. So if you think about it, we got like 5 days or so to just push through, and then we'll have spring break, some time off, and then we come back and it'll be like toward the end of April. So it's going to go by pretty quickly. So just be ready for those things. I'm going to be checking some calendars and stuff soon. So that would be really helpful for you to just kind of see what's out there, see what's needed to be done, get yourselves together so that you can push through April. My celebration today is we're going to be doing a quick unboxing video. Yesterday's 8-minute cat feeding video was like V-long. So we're going to do an unboxing video today of the graduation stoles for the seniors. Sorry, that was really loud. A couple of shout outs. Number one, Anaya, you cleaned up the house without being told to. Awesome. You want to come clean this house? Just keep away from me because I'm not trying to get sick. But yeah, that's awesome. I would be very happy if you did that. Vivian is about to take up drawing as a relaxing hobby. So that's awesome. A really good thing to kind of keep you focused and mentally sharp right now. Ian had French toast this morning for breakfast. Yo, that sounds awesome. Hook me up. Anastasia's playing Club Penguin again. So yeah, hard times for sure. I think Animal Crossing is a thing that you could be playing, right? And you're playing Club Penguin? Club Penguin's pretty sick though. And Trenton has lived to see another day. On our usual segment of call-outs, no one today, so this is great. All right, unboxing video. We're keeping this video short for today. For whatever reason, they sent this to me in an Amazon box. I have left this outside, staying nice and clean and not getting more germs on it than have already come on these. So this is it's sat, it's clean now, and we'll go from there. So unboxing video. I'm gonna open this up. I think you're supposed to see it in an unboxing video. Y'all get my reaction, so I don't hide things well in my face. I hope they did a good job with what they were told to do. So here's to hoping. All right, these are all the graduation stoles. I know it's like, wait, you giving us graduation stoles and we don't know about graduation yet? Seniors, chill. You are graduating. This is happening. You are graduating. You are wearing these bad boys. Whether that's on FaceTime or not, you're going to wear these. And I'm just kidding. You're not graduating online. You will graduate in person. It's happening. We're making this happen. All right, graduation stoles. Let's see how they look. This is one of the many that there are in here. Let's throw a little music on. I'll do a display. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so this is how they look. Graduation stoles, good googly moogly. Those things are juicy. These look good. They're black. Got a little Avid here. Got a little Avid guy. Got the purple trim. You know how it is. But yeah, that's these. Seniors, your graduation stoles are here in the safety of my home. Can't wait to graduate. We're doing this. Yeah, that's it. Clear eyes, full hearts. Keeping it under 5 minutes.